Hello students, I am going to continue exercise 3.3, question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of unknown x, y, z. Okay, these are the 5 figures have given and we have to find the values for x, y and z with the help of different properties of a parallelogram. Okay, with the help of different properties of a parallelogram. So let's take the first figure. Okay, this is the first figure. A, B, C, D given. B is given 100 degree. X, Y, Z. Okay, if B is given 100 degree, then D is given Y, right? Which is equal to 100 degree. Y will be equal to what? 100 degree. Why? Because opposite angles are equal. So solution, okay, Y is equal to 100 degree, bracket, opposite angles are equal. Next, angle Z and Y now we can find, right? Z and Y. Why? Adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, Z plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Z plus Y is equal to 80 degrees since, okay, adjacent angles are supplementary. So, Y is equal to 100, 180 degree, Z is equal to 180 degree minus 100. So, Z will be 80 degree. Okay. Z will be how much? 80 degree. So, we got the value for Y, we got the value for Z. Now, we'll get for X also. How? Z will be equal to X. Z will be equal to X, means angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Opposite angles are equal. So Z is equal to angle X, which will be equal to 80 degree. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. So we got our values for X, Y and Z. Therefore, X is equal to 80 degree, Y is equal to 100 degree and Z is equal to 80 degree. Okay, we got the solution. I hope student, all of you understand. Now question number 2. Okay, the figure is given. We have to find X, Y, Z. Okay, Z is the exterior angle. So what we'll do, we'll mark this angle, angle 1. Okay, to get the value for Z. Okay, so this angle will mark 1 to get the value for this angle, means Z. So let's see the solution. Simple. 50 degree is equal to angle 1. Why? Opposite angles are equal. Okay, 50 degree is equal to angle 1. Solution. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Next. Okay, angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Next, this either we can take x plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degree, adjacent angles are supplementary, or we can take 50 degrees equal to y. Okay, that is also adjacent angles are supplementary. Either we can take with x or we can with y. So let's take with x. So x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason, since adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, adjacent angles are supplementary. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So x is equal to 130 degree after subtracting. Okay, after subtracting we'll get x value is 130 degree. So we got x value. Now x is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. Y, opposite angles are equal. Please check question from the book. Okay, so we got y is equal to 130 degree. Okay, we got x, we got y. Now we have to get z. We have to get what? Z. So that's why I have taken here 1, angle 1. Why I mark this angle as angle 1? Because check, it's from what? Linear pair angle. Right, it's from linear pair angle. So angle 1 plus z is equal to 180 degree linear pair angles. 50 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Z is equal to 130 degree. Okay. So we got value for x, we got value for y, and we got value for z. Therefore, x is equal to 130 degree, y is equal to 130 degree, and z is equal to 130 degree. This is your solution number 2. I hope children, all of you understand. If there is any queries or doubt, you can ask, or please clear your doubts. Thank you. Question number 3. Okay, here also we have to find the value for x, y and z. Okay, and this one is given 30 degree. And this one is 90 degree. So we can find x. How? Because this one is given 90 degree. So this angle and this angle is equal to vertically opposite angle. Means angle x is equal to 90 degree. Reason or properties is vertically opposite angles. Okay, after getting x, then we can find y. How? Because sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So if we can check, this is look like triangle, right? If we check, this is look like what? Triangle. So we can find easily angle y. After getting y, then y is equal to z. The reason is alternate interior angles. Okay, so let's see the solution. So I've written before question number 3 solution. Angle x is equal to 90 degree, vertically opposite angles. Next is angle x plus angle y is equal to angle x plus angle y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle, some property of triangle, sum of the angles of a triangle. So angle x we got 90 degree plus angle y we have to find 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle y plus 90 plus 30 is 0 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So y is equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay, 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Next, so angle Z is equal to angle Y. Okay, Y, just now explain angle Z is equal to angle Y. Why? Alternate angles. Okay, why? Alternate angles. So we got angle Z is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle X is 90 degree, angle Y is 60 degree, and Z is 60 degree. Now question number 4. If we check question number 4, okay, here also we have to find X, Y and Z, and Z is the exterior angle, right? So it's easy. If we check Y is equal to 80 degree, Y opposite angles are equal. After getting this too, then we can find X. How? Y is equal to Y plus X is equal to adjacent angles are supplementary, right? Adjacent angles are supplementary. So we'll get the value for X is equal to 80 degree. Why? If you check, okay, this way, if you check, is equal to corresponding angles. These two angles are what? Corresponding angles. Okay, so angle Z is equal to 80 degree. Okay, reason is corresponding. So angle Z is equal to 80 degree, corresponding angles. Angle Y is equal to 80 degree, opposite angles are equal. Angle X plus 80 degree, okay, is equal to 180 degree. Reason, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are what? Supplementary. So we'll get the value for X. So 180 degree minus 80 degree. So angle X is equal to 100 degree. Okay, angle X is equal to how much? 100 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 100 degree, Y is equal to 80 degree, and Z is equal to 80 degree. This is the solution number 4. I hope it's clear. Okay. Number 5 now. So number 5 also, X, Y, Z we have to find. Okay, and this half of the angle is given 40 degree and half is Z, which we have to find. And this angle is given X. And one diagonal is dividing the parallelogram into triangles. What? Into triangles. So if we check, Y is the opposite angle for this angle, right? So Y is equal to 112 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Then after getting this 112 degree, then we have value for this angle and this angle. So we can apply sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? Sum of the, for this 3 angles, right? It's look like a triangle. So sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we'll get the value for X. Okay. After getting the value for X, then it's easy to get value for Z. How? Alternate angles are equal. Okay. Alternate angles are equal. So let's see the solution. Angle Y is equal to 112 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Then angle X plus angle Y plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle. So angle X we need to find. So let it be angle X. Angle Y 112 degree plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle X 152 degree. So angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 152 degree. Okay, 180 degree minus 152 degree. If we subtract, 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 5 is 2. So angle X is equal to 28 degree. Now if we got X, then it's easy to get angle Z. So angle X is equal to angle Z is equal to 28 degree. Reason, alternate angles are equal. Okay, therefore x is 28 degree, y is 112 degree, and z is 28 degree. Okay, I hope student all of you understand, and this is the last question of question number 2. Okay, if there is any queries or doubt, please clear and ask question. Thank you.